I've lost my job. I've become the latest victim of COVID-19. My company has made me redundant. I'm sure that many of you have seen such posts on LinkedIn and must have known certain people in your friend circle who have lost their jobs. In such situations, जब हम ये पोस्ट पढ़ते हैं लिंक्डइन पे या जब हम किसी से बात करते हैं, ह्यूमन माइंड में, ह्यूमन के अंदर 4 peculiar इमोशंस आते हैं. The first emotion which comes in generally many people is of apathy. सुनेंगे बट फर्क कुछ नहीं पड़ता. Nobody bothers, right? स्कूल में थे ना आपके कुछ फ्रेंड सर्कल में दोस्त, क्लास में पास हो या फेल हो, doesn't matter. So that is empathy, feeling of indifference. The second people are जो आपके ऊपर दया करते हैं. बेचारा नौकरी चली गई उसकी. Poor guy. I'm sure that you must have seen, especially on the red lights, traffic signals, a lot of young kids comes and knocks at your window. And what do we say? Poor kid. That is sympathy. Becharapan. The third sort of emotion is when you feel the pain. Empathy. I'm sure that many of you have heard this term empathy in many of the trainings. And there are 2 set definitions for this, empathy. The first is when you put yourself into somebody else's shoe, and the second is when you start feeling the pain that the people are going through. But believe me, not many people, or rather not many training sessions tells you how to be empathetic. So empathy is when you start feeling. घर पे जब पेरेंट्स होते हैं, वाइफ होती है, बच्चे होते हैं, उनमें से अगर किसी को चोट लगती है ना, दर्द उन्हीं को होता है, बट पेन यहां पे होता है. दैट इज एम्पैथी, व्हेन यू फील द पेन दैट पीपल गो थ्रू. बट आज की डेट में इंसान को क्या चाहिए? सिंपैथी, एपैथी और एम्पैथी. आज की डेट में लोगों को चाहिए एम्पैथी और सिंपैथी का ब्लेंड, अ फाइन बैलेंस, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड कंपैशन. अगर आपने किसी के ऊपर दया करी और कुछ नहीं किया तो कोई फायदा नहीं है, और अगर आपने किसी का दर्द समझा बट फिर भी कुछ नहीं किया, then there is also no point. You will just support that person. But when you are compassionate, you take a stand. You take a stand to do something for that person. Even though it might not be enough, but still, little what effort that you make, that takes it a long way. So we really need to be compassionate in today's world. जब रोड साइड पे वो नॉक करता है, instead of saying that poor kid, imagine what would he be feeling. 5-10 rupees does not make you any difference, doesn't make any difference to you, but it makes a lot of difference to that person. So be compassionate. I work in a hospital, so I understand how important being compassionate is, because this quality is very difficult to inherit. But I'm sure that many of us can be compassionate if we understand the right blend of empathy and helping others. I hope this video was good for you. This is Rajat signing off from Talk Dil Se with Rajat. Till next time, we will meet again. Do subscribe and like the video on YouTube. Talk Dil Se with Rajat. See you around. Bye bye everyone.